hope you're ready for our first day as a lifeform researcher. I'm now scientist Meeka Nomicon, and this is our microbial sector. It's your first day on the job. Not much information was given about it, but you really need the money. And I'm sure that's going to end well then. I'm sure it pays quite a lot, doesn't it? Hello? Can I leave? Am I getting on like the 10th floor? Oh, I'm only on 6th. Hi. No, there's multiple endings to the game, so we need to check. Is there a coward's ending? Wait, is there? I think there is. Ah, screw money, who needs it? You decide to return home, too nervous and feeling like you're not in the right fit for the job. Yeah, speedrun the game. Any percent, 1 minute. There we go. Okay, now we've confirmed that it is in fact a coward's ending. We should probably do our best to actually succeed at this job. Yes, fine. I am committed today. Hello? Oh, guess I'm not supposed to be touching you guys yet. Wait, so the life forms we're researching, are they sentient? So I'm not gonna lie, these are like jail cells. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they're all just research stations. We get our own. Okay, so 8283, Amoeba australis. Amoeba australis are small, translucent organisms, shaped like water droplets, with bioluminescent star-shaped structure inside. These fascinating protozoans glow gently and are typically found on plant surfaces in moist, humid environments. Their presence indicates a healthy, organic, rich habitat. Okay, so they're good things to have. We got, oh, it seems like we've got 12 different ones. Got tardigrada. Tardigrada, more commonly known as water bears. Really? I mean, I suppose I could see it. I mean, you have got more arms than bears tend to have. You know, you kind of just look like a turtle now that I look at you. I have a mutated turtle. Are microscopic, water-dwelling organisms renowned for their resilience. These tiny creatures can survive extreme conditions, including high and low temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Tardigrades are found in diverse environments, from deep oceans to moist moss on forest floors. They are studied for their potential applications in biotechnology, such as understanding extramophile biology, enhancing stress resistance in crops, and developing new materials. Their presence can indicate habitat health and moisture levels, making them valuable bioindicators. Okay, but the fact they can survive any temperature and radiation, you know what, I think we should change the name. They should be water cockroaches. That's what they are. We can't kill any of them. Are they just stars? Tyrophagus putrescentia? I'll go with that. Commonly known as mold mites, are tiny translucent mites that thrive in high humidity environments. They are often found in areas with mold or decaying organic material. Mold mites feed on fungi and mold, making them common in damp and water-damaged spaces. While generally harmless, their presence can indicate underlying moisture issues and contribute to allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Okay, but are we going to find them floating around corpses as well then? I mean, if they eat decaying organic material, they're going to eat bloaters, aren't they? Acarus ferruginous, commonly known as rust mites, are tiny mites characterized by their reddish-colored bodies and 8 legs. These mites are typically invisible to the naked eye, though fully grown specimens may appear as small red dots. Rust mites are often found in metallic surfaces where rust is present, as they feed on oxidized metal. The presence of rust mites is a sign of high humidity and ongoing metal degradation. Okay, so if you have rust mites, don't go inside the building, it will collapse on top of you. Micros radiators. Micros radiators is more commonly known as radiant microbes, are small glowing microorganisms that emit various colors. These microbes are often found in environments with high levels of genetic modifications or environmental contamination. The vibrant bioluminescence of radiant microbes makes them easily recognizable. They are frequently studied for their potential applications in biotechnology, such as serving as bioluminescent markers in research, monitoring environmental changes, and exploring new medical diagnostic tools. Their presence can indicate significant changes or disturbances in their habitats, highlighting areas of interest for further research. Okay, you're saying you want to essentially inject these things into people's bodies so they can, like, highlight where damage is? I mean, I suppose it could work, I don't particularly like the idea. I mean, would they stay in my body for, like, eternity then? I don't know what the life cycles of these things are. Luminiferva filiformis, more commonly known as Phosphor tendrilis, are slender glowing tendrils that emit a bright green light. These tendrils are typically found growing on dead trees and bark, where they anchor themselves into decaying wood. The bioluminescence of Phosphor tendrilis provides a faint, eerie illumination, creating a mesmerizing display. They are studied for their potential applications in natural lighting and bioluminescent research. And I'm starting to see a pattern here. All our research tends to go into luminescent beings. Mucorheliocilus is a species of fungus characterized by its unique radiating spore pattern. The image displays the distinct circular structure of the sporagirium, which exhibits a sunburst-like appearance with elongated striations emanating from the center. This fungus species belongs to the Mucorales order and is commonly found growing out of the stems from plants and flowers. Its distinctive morphology makes it easily recognizable under a microscope, aiding in its identification and study in mycological research. You know, you really are trying to trip me up with these explanations. Especially earlier when you said it was more commonly named, and the commonly name was actually more complicated than the main name. Deb, you're just being mean. Aphidoidea? That works. More commonly known as aphids, are tiny insects typically measuring between 1 to 3 millimeters in length. These small, soft-bodied insects are commonly found on a variety of plants, where they feed on sap using their piercing, sucking mouthparts. Aphids are often green, but can also appear in colors such as black, brown, or red. They reproduce rapidly and can cause significant damage to plants by stunting growth and transmitting plant diseases. Aphids are frequently studied in agriculture research due to their impact on crops and their interactions with plant defenses and natural predators. Okay, so basically we need to kill the aphids. Or at least neuter them. Lichens are symbiotic organisms composed of fungus and a photosynthetic partner, usually algae or cyanobacteria. Lichens are found in a wide range of environments, from forest floors to arid deserts, and even on rocks and tree bark. They vary in size and shape, often forming crusty leafy or branching growths. Lichens play a crucial role in ecosystems by breaking down rocks into soil and providing food and habitat for various organisms. They are also indicators of air quality, as they are sensitive to pollution. Lichens are frequently studied in environmental science and biology for their unique symbiotic relationship and ecological significance. Drosophila melanogaster, more commonly known as the fruit fly. Okay, you could have just said it was the fruit fly. It's a small insect that is easily visible to the naked eye when observed closely. Fruit flies are typically found around ripe or decaying fruit and other organic matter. They are characterized by their red eyes and tan-colored bodies. Fruit flies are extensively used in genetic research due to their short life cycle and well-understood genome. They play a significant role in studying inheritance, gene function, and developmental biology. The presence of fruit flies often indicates fermenting or decaying organic material in the vicinity. Ankylostoma duodenale, more commonly known as the hookworm. This is a parasitic nematode that infects the intestines of humans. Hookworms are small, measuring about 7 to 13 millimeters in length, and are characterized by their hooked mouthparts, which they use to attach to the intestinal linings and feed on the blood. Infections occur through direct contact with contaminated soil, often when walking barefoot. Symptoms of hookworm infection include anemia, abdominal pain and weakness due to blood loss. Hookworms are frequently studied in parasitology and medical research due to the significant impact on human health and their role in tropical diseases. Wait, hookworms? Are those the things that travel up men's parts? Like if they go too far in certain waters, like that got a chance of them hooking in? Or is that just like a myth I've heard? Either way, it doesn't sound pleasant. Vitamorph mutation is a recently discovered organism known for its translucent blue growths that infect animals and plants. These organisms feature elongated tentacle-like structures that draw nutrients from the hosts. Infection leads to rapid, unpredictable mutations in the host. Vitamorph mutagens' effects and life cycle are still largely unknown, making it a significant focus of ongoing scientific research. Can I get myself infected? Kinda hope so. Oh! Okay, maybe I should have read the instructions first. Oh well, I was busy reading everything. Welcome to your first day as a lifeform researcher. We are thrilled to have you join our team. Below are your tasks and instructions to operating the equipment. Okay, press shift button to start conveyor belt. Pick up the objects that require research and place the object on the platform with a cross. Scan the object using the button, then remove parts, put on glass cover, and use the eye button to lower the microscope for a closer examination of the object. Each lifeform has a code. Type the code into the keypad after scanning the object. If you don't see the lifeform in our system, type in 0000 on the keypad instead. Pick up the object again and place it back in the conveyor belt. Then press the forward button again to send the object to the next researcher. Okay, so get the thing, identify what it is, and then tell the person to do it as well. Oh, we're being watched. Wait, is that my blue mutation plant already? God, I hope so. Oh, got a lot of floppy disks. Okay, so it said first this. I'm gonna scan you. This should be a mutagen, right? It looks very pretty. Okay, I've scanned you. I need to raise you. Do I really want to raise off the cover? It seems like a bad idea. But oh, look at you now. Hi. Wait, I didn't mean to come out. I wanted to look some more. Can I? Oh. Should I be concerned about the spore parts? Are they supposed to be there? Okay, so I'm just gonna be confident this is in fact a... Is this grown? I swear that's bigger. So, is that big? Oh no, maybe it hasn't. Maybe it's always been this big. Okay, so 9487. I'm pretty confident that's what it is. We good to go? Is that a yes? How do I get you out of here? Oh, that just spins you. So if I put this back on, if I then raise the eyes, I can take this. Here you go. You've been coded. Right, so look at you then. So, scan. Glass dome off. Okay, so something to do with flowers. What did I see anything about that? Actually, we'll have a closer look in case it's one of the tiny mites or something. I mean, I'm seeing damage to the plant itself. Wait, there's something there. Wait, if I step out, can I spin it? There's some kind of drop. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's my tiny little star shape. You are adorable. Okay, so yep, that's where you are. You're 8283. You know, I hope I was actually right with the first one then, and it wasn't misleading by being a blue plant, and there was actually like some little mites on there instead. Let's hope not. Off you go. So we're doing good? Do I get a vase? Okay, so you're on bark, right? Which one was the one for bark? It was one of the later ones, wasn't it? Was it this one? Yeah, decaying wood. Is that where you're gonna be? Scan, lift, goggles, please. So what exactly am I looking for? If it is this, glowing tendrils, basically. I'm very close. Okay, yeah, I see glowing. Well, yeah, they're definitely glowing tendrils. And in fact, I think they're growing glowing tendrils. That's fine. 2917. I am definitely gonna get Employee of the Month. So I wonder then if one of the endings really is I get myself infected. Wait, was I wrong the first time? Is that my glowing blue tendrils instead? Oh no. Oh, I may have made a mistake. I may not be Employee of the Month. Oh no. I might have been a little bit too confident. Oops. I mean, it's definitely giant and blue and kind of glowing. To be fair though, it only says it affects animals and plants. Is it just me or is that breaking down rock? What is the one that breaks down rock? That's the radiant one. Fine. Wrist knights. Which is the one that breaks down rock? Okay, rocks or tree bark? This says it breaks down rocks, but, you know, I don't think that looks like the blue and glow things. You know, we might just have to say we've had 2 9487s. I'm not confident. Not at all. We'll have to go for it. 9487? I'm assuming it's not going to tell me if I'm wrong until, like, the very end of the game. Ooh, lunch break! Take one and pass along the rest? What if I don't? What if I take them all? Oh, it's like that movie, The Platform, where all the food goes down and the people at the top just take it all or trash it all. Anyway, I'm being nice right now. And also, mainly because I don't particularly want to eat my one, let alone everyone else's. Oh, actually, I don't think I get a choice. What is it anyway? Like pea soup? I'm gonna pray it's pea soup. Apparently I was very hungry. Can I come out, please? I would take a nap, but, you know, you haven't given me a bed. Thank you! We doing okay? Next plant, please. Oh, okay, is this gonna be like rust mites? Well, not rust mites. We good? Listen, bud, you really need to pay your electricity bill. I mean, it's some growth attached to metal. Wait. Never mind, I thought I saw some like little red bugs moving around. I might just be seeing things. So is it the entire thing that's... Just thinking it's metal. Don't know what else it would be. I mean, I'd say rust mites simply because... the stop sign? I think it's going to be lichens, because again, that only breaks down rock. We might just have to go rust mites. I don't know what the grey mat is going to be, though. Okay, 5290. I mean, what's the worst they do? Fire me? Here you go. Listen, I never claimed I was going to be well qualified for this job. Okay, we've got fungus. I do remember there was something that spoke about fungus. I'm not seeing anything particularly noteworthy in there. I mean, there are... Oh wait, is there bugs moving around? I saw something yellow. Wait, what's the yellow thing? Okay. Oh, okay, I can identify those. That's the things that look like sunburst. There they are. Okay, Meeka. 0214. Okay, you're feeling kind to me now, aren't you? 0214? Yes. You know, I'm confident we've at least got 3 of them, mate. So we probably won't get murdered? Was that gear? Oh, don't tell me you're my rust mice instead. Zoom out. I'm very close. I mean, it is a lot of rust. Oh crap, that's actually the rust mites. Oh man. What was the other one then? I completely got okay, didn't mean to do that. Got misled from the whole stop sign. Okay, 5290. That's gonna stay open now. Guess so. 5290? Yep. You know, I take back my earlier smugness. In fact, I'm not going to be Employee of the Month. There we go. Again, I'm concerned. Hey, is this going to be the same blue plant from earlier? I know it's just mutated. I mean, if the blue plant does mutate that fast, do I really want to keep opening it? Seems dangerous. Do you have sentience? Hi? Did you go into the vents? Yep. Yes, you did. Well, to be fair, I did just say this was a bad idea. I mean, yeah, I did it anyway, but, whoops. Oh. Did you let me out? Did you let me out so you could kill me? Should I just follow your glowing blue blood? You wait for me by the lift? Oh. In here? You here? I mean, it'd be wise if I go home. Wait, do I actually have the option to? Hey. Are you not gonna be waiting for me? You're not gonna try and kill me? Huh. Well, glowing, mutating blue plant. I found myself a little bit disappointed. I expected more murder from you. Goodbye. I mean, the good news is there's no ceiling hatch, so I'm safe as long as I'm inside the elevator. Oh, there's the blue glow. I see you beat me down here. To be fair, I only saw I was safe inside the elevator. Ah. I see he got to you first. Have you mutated into the plant? No. Apparently I'm not allowed to leave. Oh, that was cute. It took me a minute to actually see him pointing. The creature latched onto your face, and as your vision blurred, you felt your body begin to change. We were assimilated. Okay, so I'm thinking the solution there is that when we get the blue thing, we don't ever look at it, we just label and push. To be fair, I did think that was gonna happen. I just then did it anyway. Okay, so I don't think gameplay-wise it's gonna change, so I'll get us back to that point and go from there. Okay, so I've not reached the point yet, and this is the first one. I definitely got that wrong, because there's something very obvious that I just ignored, because it was a blue tentacle. There's yellow sunbursts! So yeah, I was definitely not gonna get Employee of the Month in that last game. That was 0214, that's what it actually was. And also, I just remembered, when we had that stop sign with all the thing on it, we could have just said 0000. Like, it wasn't in our thing because it didn't have the wrist mites, but it was the growth on metal. I'm pretty sure that was the actual solution, so I'll put that in this time. It's fine, I'm learning. Okay, I've learned our lesson this time. We're not going to take the glass off. We're not going to look at it. We're just going to, you know, type in 9487 and send it on its merry way. We're going to survive this time. 9487. There you go. It's nice seeing you. Emma? Did you open the glass? You fool! Why did you do that? Listen, it's not my fault, okay? I just did as you told me. You didn't give me any notepaper. I couldn't leave a post-it note on it. You dead? Oh, he dead. Hi. You, assimilating? Oh, well, he definitely got out of there. Hey, there's a spore plant from earlier. I should probably leave. Time to go home? I feel like I met my quota for the day. Oh, even storage is open. Hi! Have I found an SCP? You're adorable. Be careful. There is, in fact, an alien around here. Alien right there? Can you kill me? I want you to kill me. Hi! This guy's a different ending, right? Oh, we died. Wait, did I have a chance to actually escape from there? See if I'd actually carried on to the elevator. See, it was very slow. Okay, so can I actually escape? Oh, I've got no power. Hi! Wait, turn my ears, did you turn the power back on? Oh yeah, we've got plenty of time. You are not going to be able to catch me, Betty. Sorry, there's a one man left. Bye! Does this make me Employee of the Month now? I mean, your other one is infected. I think by process of elimination, I have to be Employee of the Month. I mean, everyone else seems pretty much dead. I think that means I get a raise, right? Oh, I get the void. You managed to escape the building. So, I'm wondering then, if I get everything wrong, will I actually get fired? We should test it. Hi! He seems to begin annoyed by my wrong answers. I am definitely gonna get myself fired. time. Read me. We regret to inform you that your employment is terminated effective immediately due to the discovery of falsified research. Please leave the premises immediately. Is this because I titled every single specimen as 1111? Listen, it's not my fault you haven't got enough entries for me to input. I mean, they could have all been the same item. Are you actually gonna let me leave? I mean, this seems like a very classified facility. Okay, so I think we're missing one more ending then, based on the title screen. I'm guessing it's got something to do with that specimen. Maybe we can avoid getting our neighbor killed. Mistakes were found in your work, which resulted in you being fired. Okay, so I'll do it correctly and get us back to when we received that last one. Because yeah, that's the only major change point that I can think of. Oh, damn! Okay, I definitely didn't realize earlier. That's an entire head down there. So I'm guessing this has got something to do with our ending? Well, okay. I should probably leave. You know what? Yeah, so we already got to the ending where I put everything in right and that didn't change anything. So maybe I should get myself fired and then I can leave. I feel like getting fired is the best case scenarios right now. Okay, perfect, thank you. I'm assuming now that I've seen the head, I probably won't be allowed to leave. You're gonna send me down to the basement or something instead? Or actually, maybe the ending is if we get out, we just start talking about it online. Oh! Hi! No, I was right. We are not allowed to leave. You knew too much. Does my head now become a specimen? Okay, that should be all our endings then. Since there's actually a tracker on the main menu. You know, I enjoyed that. That was fun. I do love the fact they tried to jump scare us with a little microbe. That was adorable. And we got a face hug, which is always a nice thing. I hope you enjoyed your time here. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And my name is Spig Day, and I'll catch you next time, guys.